Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use Coinbase for buying, selling, convert cryptocurrency, and this video for beginner. So click Coinbase. So before you buying or selling anything, you need to edit your bank account. Where is you can see edit your bank account. I already added my Monzo bank account. You also added any other different method, payment method. Okay. So this is your portfolio where you can see how much money you have on your wallet. So also says what did you bought. So I bought cryptocurrency in here, Abe, Call and Makers, and also I bought other cryptocurrency. Also you can bought any cryptocurrency from this Coinbase. It's very easy and simple to use. Also you can buy very common Bitcoin as well, Bitcoin Cash, also Litecoin. Okay, so there's a lot of way you can do it, and you can buy from here. You can see the icon, click here, and then you can see buy, sell, convert. So let's start it with the buy. Click buy, and then it will show what do you want to buy. So very common currency crypto is Bitcoin, so I will start with the Bitcoin, then easy to understand. Where is Bitcoin hiding? Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, so it says how much do you want to buy Bitcoin. For example, I want to buy Bitcoin maybe 10 pounds. Okay, so this 10 pound will be deducted from your bank account which you've been added. Okay, so it says one-time purchase, or you can purchase every day, every week. Okay, every first and 15th of month. Okay, I'll buy for one time, and then review buy. Then you can see price, trade to Coinbase instantly, and it also says fees. How much is Coinbase fees? Is 99 pence. If you every 10 pound if you buy, it will charge you 99.99 pence. Okay, so click what is this says, the help, if you want to know anything fees about, and once you click buy now, and it will go to buy automatically from your account. Okay, now go to sell option. Okay, if you want to sell any crypto for cash. Okay, so I have a crypto asset in Aave Maker, the graphs, and I'll sell some Aave to as example. Okay, so how much do you want to sell? Is maximum half. Okay, so I'll do maximum. And where is this goes this money? GB wallet. GB wallet means it will stay on your this account, Coinbase account, then you can transfer. Okay, so also if you want to add any payment method, you can do as well, PayPal, Eurobank, credit card, bank account. Okay, so now preview sell. Now you can see how much fees they charge you, Coinbase 2.99, for selling 64.58 Aave, and it goes up instantly. So if I click sell, it will go to sell, but I don't want to sell it. Okay, and now go to convert. Click here, same place, convert. So for example, if you want to convert Aave to Bitcoin, so you have a Aave cryptocurrency, you want to use this Aave to buying Bitcoin. Okay, so Aave to convert Bitcoin. Yeah. So you see, now I'm just gonna buy Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so I'm using, I am using Aave to buying Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so I'll do, oops, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna use from Aave to Bitcoin Cash. Okay, now 25 pounds. I just want to buy Bitcoin Cash, buy Aave cryptocurrency. click review, then you can see for converting, normally Coinbase don't charge you, and you see 25 pounds. I'll convert it to for Bitcoin Cash. Also you can convert it for Bitcoin as well. Okay, and also you can do it from your portfolio. For example, you have a cryptocurrency on Maker, and then you can sell from here as well. You can see trade option, and you can click buy, sell, convert. Okay, so Coinbase is for very beginner. You can invest as many as 5 pounds, 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 10 pounds as well, but check the fees sometimes is very high. Okay, and also you can see the price, high price, low price, and tradable asset. So you can see all cryptocurrency listed in the Coinbase. Coinbase also has a pro account, which is you have to pay, and tradable asset means these are the all coins is allowed by UK government. That means you can buy, sell anything. Those are the coins. So some of them coin is not allowed in the UK buy and sell. Also you can see top gainer. These are the coin top gain today, and also you can see top loser as well. Okay, and some of them cryptocurrency is new in the market, and they also given free crypto coins. Even if you are already sign up in Coinbase, you can still get a free coin. As you can see, share your lab crypto and get 7.36 free Bitcoin. So if I share this link, you get the 7.36 Bitcoin, and also you can get a free 10 pounds. Even if you're a sign up, you can still get 10 pounds if you just watch their video and see they given 10 pound and 10 pounds. You can instantly get 10 pounds, and you can instantly transfer these 10 pounds to your bank account. This is a very easy and simple. And so just watch a video and then click some what you see, and then they'll give it all the free coins. So there is a lot of new crypto in the market. They given free coin as a marketing purpose. So I earn say for 66 pounds worth of coin cryptocurrency just watching the video. So I can give you link, guys. It'll be somewhere below this video. You can see it, and that you can just see the video and you can earn the free cryptocurrency. Even if you still sign up, if you still have a Coinbase account, you can still see those videos and earn this cryptocurrency. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I try to make it very small, but because of a lot of things to show, so I can't make it a small video. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.